Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in IQ Option via bank transfer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to iqoption.com/trade room and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we need to find that big green deposit button that's on the top right hand corner of the page. Now, here, make a deposit, little pop-up box is going to appear, and we want to choose real account. So top up your account and start real life trading. Now from here, under payment method, look for bank transfer. So this takes 3 to 5 business days. Now we need to go ahead and choose your currency if this is a first time deposit. So we got 3 to choose from. We got Euro, GP, GBP or USD. So if I want to do USD, click USD. Now we've got some presets here, so we can choose 50 to 10 grand, or you can put in a custom amount if you like. And then please fill out the purpose of payment field when paying the invoice and include your account number, invoice number to receive the funds in 1 to 3 business days. Also, we need to click on and accept the terms and conditions. And also, if you haven't verified your account, you must need to do this before you can deposit any money into your account. So click on verify account if that option is there, and then it'll redirect you back to this page where you can go ahead and make that bank transfer.